Ka Committee on Women Empowerment jong kayeng dobar thawan ke jela Meghalaya haga si thok ding kala lum ye ke lang bat ki he jong katanat food and civil supplies haga be day bat ke jing bom yo lut jong ki pat ba yakakat Ration.
Kanika committee hapo ke jinglam jong chairperson I Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat kiwe dikhot kilapan jing pensyai helor jing bom yo kat Ration jong ki pat ba bat ban chim kia ban pen kloy haga ban ai no kat Ration yaki. I Dr. Amprin Lingdo ilong baka committee kalabatha ya katanat food and civil supplies baka de ban pen stat ki kam ki jam baro ban ai kat Ration ya gilong hiang ki badok kanang bagi ni pat ba ken la ban yo ya ki jing mentoy kum baki de hok ban yo. Ilong ru baka sorkar kaladep ban pen bena ban om shimpisan ki breu ki bale ek test covid la de ki don ya kat Ration bat kalong ke badan kam baki long hiang ki badok kin yo no ya kat Ration. Kabau dukot jangka komiti ubah Himalaya Muktan Changpliang uloong ban ki lai pupra lakngut ki pat ba aga jela kiladon arab kendai lakngut ki balayo ka kat Ration kat ban ka kendai lak ki badang sa arlak ki brio ki badan bm bat sahnyo lak pat kim pat yo ka kat Ration uloong bakiladon san punyo wajar tam ki bala apply ka kat Ration hnrai haduk menta kim pat yo satya Nalor kan hier uai pat udukot ke komiti ubah Amiral Bon CM ulong bagi la yo ru ikajing pensyai ngi hek sarkar halor kajing syapting ki pat ba bagi nam yo kat Ration show la kim don lang yo adhar number bad ulong ba ke sarkar jela kan empat penyaso ke kat Ration bad adhar number hadu benai no pra kesenam arjar arpo ban nakaliang ke sarkar kan sekran bad ke sarkar pedeng ban empat penyaso yo adhar bad ke kat Ration.
Only 50.87 of urban Meghalaya is covered under the NFSA. Urban Meghalaya means Shillong city. And only 77.79% of rural Meghalaya is actually covered by the scheme. And when we inquired further from the Secretary of Food and Civil Supply to find out the kinds of pending applications that are still lying unattended, the entire total of 57,083 pending applications from 2016 till today remain unattended. So having seen this, we have requested the Secretary to fast track all of these pending applications so that at least within the quota that the government of Meghalaya receives from the government of India under NFSA, whoever has been left out from this system can be included, wherein government now clearly defines who will be residents who will be able to access COVID testing and COVID treatment in the state of Meghalaya free of cost. And categorically, the yellow and the pink cards have been mentioned in that notification, wherein individual citizens holding those cards and whose names appear in that family in that card can access free COVID testing and COVID treatment from the government of Meghalaya. Now, in the event of 50% of a red zone like Shillong is not covered under this scheme, we will be in a very tight spot in this red zone because individuals will no longer be able to pay for the tests as and when required.
Ha kawai perkaliang ke komiti ke lapan pa ke jing sokya halor ke jingram palat ke dor banle ke test covid ha ke jela habi nujor bat ki pat ki jela bat ki he katanat ka kot ka kya ke lapan pau ba ke Indian Council of Medical Research kam shimla yarap AA ke jela ban yo iki testing kit bat kil batha badai ban yale ban pendunai ke dor kanang bagi pat ba ken ommat jing e ka komiti ke lapan pau ru ke jing sokya halor ka jing syak kren thlia ki pat ba ki belet sumar ki bamdon ya kakat MHIS bat kila batha ka tanat ka ka kya ban yarap lem ki pat ba ki bapalit sumar ki hospital ban register ban yo ikne kakat ban yo gi jing yarap hakum kane ka por ka bamenta.
Now for the intensive care unit, 3,900 is all that the COVID, the MHIS card will attend. Intensive care unit with ventilator only 4,900, but I know that private hospitals are charging much higher rates for ICU facilities. This includes the HDU, the ICU and everything else. Government of Meghalaya has spent for a total of 1,326 COVID tests conducted in private hospitals, a total amount of 39,78,000. I don't know for which period, we forgot to ask. A total of 229 cases for COVID treatment has already been spent in private institutions, total amount amounting to 47,40,000. So you can see that through the MHIS cards also, huge expenditures have been incurred, and if the government does not bring down and slash the cost of all these treatments, the common man will stand to lose in an already very critical situation where most families have no access to jobs nor livelihood.